With the motto of skiing during the day and sea in the afternoon, Saklikent Ski Resort is located on the Bay Mountains to the west of Antalya in the Mediterranean region. While the ski season generally lasts about 3 months, especially in March, tourists ski in the morning and enjoy the sea in the afternoon. In this video, we tried to tell you where Saklikent Ski Resort is, with the 2024 current price list and all the details. We wish you a good time. Saklikent Ski Resort is located on the Bay Mountains to the west of Antalya in the Mediterranean region. Although it is 35 kilometers away from the center of Antalya and 50 kilometers away from Antalya Airport, it is one of the rare places where 2 seasons can be experienced in the same day. The altitude of Saklikent is 2,550 meters. Saklikent Ski Center is one of the youngest and smallest winter sports centers in Turkey. Where is Antalya Saklikent Ski Resort? For those who want to go there, the question, how many kilometers is Antalya Saklikent is frequently asked. Saklikent Ski Resort is 45 kilometers away from Antalya city center. Antalya Saklikent is in a very easy location for transportation. Once you enter the direction of Antalya, you can easily reach it with the direction signs. You can also navigate easily with navigation. How to get to Antalya Saklikent Ski Resort? Transportation to Saklikent, which is 2,550 meters high, can be provided by buses departing from the Luna Park, located opposite Migros AVM in Antalya. It takes approximately 1 hour to reach Saklikent from the city center. If you are going to Saklikent directly from the airport, you can easily find a car. You can also reach the region by using car rental facilities. You can reach the ski resort by continuing from Antalya direction towards Kakırlar/Doyran and following the signs for Saklikent. You can use taxis or public buses to reach Saklikent Ski Center from Antalya bus station. When to go to Saklikent? The best time to go to Saklikent will be between December and March. In these months, the snow thickness is at its highest level, and it is settled. Moreover, the ski season is quite short due to the climate of the region. There is not only a winter holiday in Saklikent. You can ski in Saklikent during the winter months. You can also go to Saklikent for camping and picnics in summer and spring. Before going to Saklikent, we definitely recommend that you check the weather conditions in Saklikent. When does the season open at Saklikent Ski Resort? Saklikent ski season starts in December, but it becomes fully suitable for winter sports towards the middle of January. If you ask when Saklikent ski season ends, the season usually does not last very long since it is located in the Mediterranean region. The season closes in March. Accommodation opportunities at Saklikent Ski Center. Saklikent offers 477 detached houses, 1 hotel and 1 pension for accommodation. There are a total of 10 rooms in the hostel, and the room features are 1 for 2 people, 1 for 5 people and 8 for 4 people. You can benefit from accommodation for a total of 50 people. Before going to Saklikent Ski Resort, be sure to contact the facility officials. You should get information about room availability, reservation, snow depth, ski instructor and ski equipment rental. Additionally, the facility does not have accommodation facilities such as bungalow houses, wooden houses, chalets and camping areas. Saklikent Ski Center tracks and map. Saklikent tracks are divided into 3 as professional, intermediate and amateur ski tracks, and there is also a track for those who want to sled. Red runway. The length of this runway, used by professional skiers, is approximately 4,000 meters. The feature of the track is that it has sharp bends and steep slopes, starting from the top of the mountain. Black track. Access to this track is provided by Karakaya Chairlift. The length of the runway is 1,500 meters and its upper part is connected to the red runway. The feature of the track is that it has no bends but is built on a steep slope. Blue runway. The track used by intermediate level skiers is 1,500 meters long. Yellow track. The track for training purposes is approximately 300 meters long. Toboggan runs. A specially planned track for visitors who want to go sledding. The chairlift features of the ski resort, where there are 3 different chairlift lines, are as follows. Karakaya Chairlift has a height of 1,900 to 2,400 meters and is known as the largest lift in the ski resort. It can also carry 800 guests to the mountain top per hour. Saklikent Teleski has a length of 1,850 to 2,000 meters and is known as T-Bar. It carries 200 people to the top of the track per hour. Baby Lift has a length of 1,850 meters and 1,900 meters and was built in 2015. It also carries 100 skiers per hour, and nowadays serves mostly beginners in skiing. Children between the ages of 0 to 6 are prohibited from using the chairlift, even if there are families. You can rent or buy all kinds of equipment at affordable prices in the ski rooms located in Saklikent facilities. Snowboard ski equipment, daily rental, equals 350 TL. Ski equipment, daily rental, 350 TL. Ski/snowboard, daily rental, 300 TL. Shoes, daily rental, 200 TL. Dress suit, daily rental 200 TL. Sled, hourly rental, 90 TL. When we look at the 2024 ski prices, single exit, 100 TL. 5 exits, weekends 300 TL, weekdays, 250 TL. On exit, weekends 450 TL, weekdays, 400 TL. Daily pass, weekends 500 TL, weekdays, 400 TL. Monthly pass, 1050 TL. Annual pass, 3000 TL. What to do in Antalya, Saklikent? Saklikent is mostly the address of those who come to ski, but you can also come here for a day's rest. You can chat with your loved ones by drinking mulled wine by the fireplace of the facility where you stay, and spend romantic hours in a rustic environment decorated with wooden materials. Even if you don't ski, watching the snow view from your hotel room and sipping your coffee can be a relaxing activity for you. In Saklikent, apart from skiing, you can take a nature walk on the snow-white cover, enjoy the endless calm and the feeling of eternity at the top, and enjoy the moment with the music and entertainment activities offered by the facilities at night. These fun activities are skiing, snowboarding, snowmobile, sledding, camping, climbing, and activities such as ATV. We have come to the end of our video. Do not forget to leave your questions and opinions about this wonderful ski resort in the comments section, and you can also thank us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. We hope everyone has fun.